We assume that the base of the logarithm is e. Note that root x into root x equal to x. Add the fractions. Split the expression inside the brackets as x plus 1 the whole square by x. This is the property of logarithms for log of a by b. The first term, use the property of log of a power n. Now differentiate each term separately with respect to x. Subtract the fractions on the RHS. Since the term we want to prove involves x plus 1 and y1, we rearrange it in the required form. So we write x plus 1 times y1 equal to x minus 1 the whole divided by x. When we differentiate this again with respect to x, we use product rule for the LHS and quotient rule for the RHS. So we differentiate both sides with respect to x one more time. The LHS of the required expression contains x into x plus 1 the whole square y2. We multiply both sides with x into x plus 1. Split the RHS as x by x plus 1 by x or 1 plus 1 by x. We go back to equation 1 and try to solve for 1 by x in terms of y1 from that equation. Substitute equation 3 back in equation 2 to get the required expression.